a unboxing of the Anti-Social Club. So here is my Anti-Social shirt that I ordered the other day. I got it in a small, I believe. Yeah, small. And yeah, so let's open it. I don't know if I can use both. I mean, use one hand. So this is the Anti-Social Club. This is the front. Pretty huge, but whatevs. And then this. I'm sorry. I'm sound like I'm filming with one hand. Bear with me. So this is the back. Super cute, super cute. I got it in a pink color. So yeah. So I ordered this shirt July 6th, and it was shipped out July 24th, and I got it today, which is July 30th. So other than that, it does take a while, but you will get your package. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. So really quick, I just want to say that as you guys saw, you just saw my unboxing to my Anti-Social Club shirt. So I just want to say I do recommend this brand. You just gotta be very patient when it comes to shipping. But the shipping does suck, I must say, but it's worth it to me. But so yeah, thank you guys.